Howdy! Welcome to Aspire Mountain Academy. I'm Professor Curtis, your instructor for this course in Introductory Statistics. In less than 10 minutes, this video discusses how this course is structured and why Aspire Mountain Academy offers you the best value for learning statistics. I've also received requests to appear in the video dressed in a cloud suit and mumbling about the weather. Sound exciting? Great! Let's get started. Aspire Mountain Academy offers courses through a modular design structure of lecture videos. In Stat 101, these videos are no more than 10 minutes long each. This mini lecture format allows you to take in a little at a time, helping you not to get overwhelmed with new concepts. In addition, it's much easier to go back and review a specific concept without having to search through a full-length 60 or 90-minute video. Now, you can find some course content for free on our YouTube channel and also on the website, but the way you gain full access to course content is with a monthly subscription. Now, before you tune out, let me tell you that your subscription gets you access to all Aspire Mountain Academy courses, not just Stat 101. When you purchase your subscription, you get full access for 30 days unless you cancel before the 30 days pass. And if you haven't canceled after 30 days, then your subscription will automatically renew. So, you could take whatever time you need to go through the course. And because your subscription gets you access to all Aspire Mountain Academy courses, you can take your time with any course we offer. Right now, we're just getting started, so there's only 2 courses available, but there's plenty more on the way. Here's the best part. The subscription costs just $4.99 a month. This is an introductory price, which means it may go up in the future, so you definitely want to jump on this train now. You can't go out to eat hardly anywhere for $5, but $5 will get you full access to all Aspire Mountain Academy courses for 30 days. And if you're the typical student, I know you're going out to eat. Would you be willing to sacrifice just one of those meals a month in exchange for access to our exclusive content designed to help you succeed in statistics? The best part is that you can cancel at any time. So there's a really low risk level here for you. Now keep in mind that once you cancel, you instantly lose all access to AMA courses. That means if you cancel before your 30 days are up, you lose the portion of your subscription for the remaining 30 days in the 30-day period. But that's why your risk is so low. The most you'll ever be out for access you don't want is the price of access for a full month, which right now is just $4.99. Now these videos aren't some fly-by-night production. Okay, we design our videos to promote active learning. This is different than passive learning, which is what you'd be doing if all you did was just sit and watch the video. Active learning means you engage with the content. Now, we do this by employing a set pattern to our mini lectures. First, the video will introduce you to the concepts for the topic contained in the mini lecture. Next, the video will provide activities which use the concepts delivered. Now, let me urge you to participate fully in these activities. If you simply sit back and passively watch, you won't learn very much because you're not engaging the content. We'll be performing sample calculations as well as using software to answer statistical questions, and each video will take you step by step through the process of how to do everything we present. Now, the videos also contain questions designed to assess your learning by testing your knowledge of the concepts presented. A brief pause will follow each question to provide you a space in which to respond. Again, you don't want to be passive and just sit while the time goes by or jump past the pause in the video. Participate. Give your best effort to answering the questions asked. Many students fear answering a question incorrectly, especially in public, but you don't need to be afraid. There's only 2 ways this can go. If you answer a question correctly, that's great, because it means what you're learning is staying with you. If you answer incorrectly, that's even better, because now you have identified a gap in your knowledge that you can proceed to correct. Some video content, it's nothing more but extra exercises to help you learn. Now, we created these extra videos to help students who need some extra help learning a particular topic. So if you feel you know what you need to know well enough, feel free to stop watching the video or skip it altogether. Again, we want to give you flexibility so you can access what you need to know and learn it quickly. Now, in addition to the lecture videos, you will find in our Stat 101 course homework help videos that you can't access anywhere else. Now, true, you can find many homework help videos on our website and our YouTube channel, and you'll still be able to access those videos for free, provided, of course, they remain on the website and YouTube channel. some of these videos may be moving into the course. So don't risk losing access to the content you need to help you succeed. You want to hand over the $4.99 to make sure you get the content designed to help you learn stats that you can't get anywhere else. The great thing about delivering content with videos is that you can watch them as many times as you want, whenever you want, while you have access. You can also start, stop, rewind, and forward the video at any time. This is a great help when it comes to note-taking and filling in knowledge gaps. And being able to pause the presentation is also great when taking notes or trying to learn software. You can stop at any time to see that you're pressing the right buttons before going to the next step. So the structure of these videos, combined with the modular structure for the course for so little money, means Aspire Mountain Academy offers you tons more value than meeting with private tutors. Having previously operated my own tutoring business, I can tell you that most quality tutors who want to make a living at tutoring will charge you no less than $15 to $20 an hour. And that's the minimum they're going to charge you. Some will charge you even more. That means if you were to spend the same amount of time with a quality tutor that you could spend with each of the videos in this AMA course, you would spend as much as $1,200. $1,200. Yet you can get the same help, and I and many of my previous students would argue better help, for a mere fraction of what a quality tutor costs. Suddenly, that $4.99 a month looks like a real bargain. And it is! If you extend the subscription over 120 days to cover most of a typical semester, your AMA subscription, which again gets you access to all AMA courses, would cost you $19.96, so just under $20. So for roughly the same cost of 1 hour with a quality private tutor, or less depending upon what the tutor charges, you could have 4 months of unlimited access to what many students have called a godsend. And you'll save up to 95% of what a quality private tutor will charge you to help you with an entire statistics course. Again, all our content is delivered on video. And meeting with a tutor means you have to arrange schedules to get together, even if you're meeting online. And that's not the case with video. You can watch videos anytime, anywhere. So if, for example, your best time is late at night or during a graveyard shift at work, you can easily fit Aspire Mountain Academy course content into your schedule. Good luck finding a quality tutor who you can afford who will fit those hours. And that's not everything. Aspire Mountain Academy provides even more value by posting additional homework help videos on our website and our YouTube channel, which you can access for free. With everything Aspire Mountain Academy has to offer, you'll be hard-pressed to find a tutor who can provide you with more value than Aspire Mountain Academy. If you're serious about learning statistics, you don't need to go anywhere else. You're right where you need to be. So, use the link in the description section below this video if you're watching it on YouTube, or you can go to aspiremountainacademy.thinkific.com and purchase your subscription today. In fact, you should make your purchase right now, and you can do so because we've reached the end of this video. Oh, and for those of you wondering about seeing me in a cloud suit, it turns out that they're actually rather expensive. Who would have thought that cloud suits were the height of fashion? I don't yet have enough funds to buy one, so for now, you get to see me attired more professionally. But if enough of you buy enough subscriptions from Aspire Mountain Academy, I'll be able to buy that cloud suit and accommodate the request. So don't delay. Buy your subscription today. Thanks for watching. Now, go make your purchase, and I'll see you in the next video.